again, you guys will be, oh, I forgot to tell what the other class was. Oops. Hopefully you guys can figure that one out. So anyways, in this case, we need to figure out what the addition or subtraction is, right? Okay. So what I like to do is just think of pi over 12. What two fractions pi over 12 that will add to give me 5 pi over 12? Add or subtract to give me 7 pi over, yeah, 7. They'll add or subtract to give me 7 pi over 12, but then can be reduced as fractions, yes?
6 pi over 12 plus pi over 12.
6.
So you get pi halves plus pi over 12. And then you only have 7 pi.
But the problem is we don't know what pi over 12 is, though.
Oh.
Right? So that's right. You're absolutely correct. That's totally, and that's the same thing. I forgot to even mention that. Sine of 15 degrees. Couldn't we just also do sine of 14 degrees, like plus 1 degree or something? Like we can do something like that, but the problem is we don't know what those degree symbols are, right? We don't know the evaluate for those. So your addition is not wrong, but we need something in terms of 60, 45, or 30.
3 pi over 12 plus 4 pi over 12.
Absolutely. That one will work. Do you guys agree with me? That gives you 7 pi. Yep. And then watch this. They also simplify to pi over 4 plus pi over 3. Okay? Again, on your homework, you guys need to kind of figure that out for your test and stuff. You'll definitely be provided that. The next thing then is identify your u and your v. Okay? So now I go to my formula sheet and I say, okay, so I have cosine, adding two angles for cosine. So I look up there, adding two angles for cosine, and here is my formula. So therefore, it's going to be cosine of u plus v is equal to cosine of u times the cosine of v minus the sine of u times the sine of v. That is the formula given to you on this sheet of paper. So we've already identified our u and your v. Does it make sense now just to plug in the u and v's? Yes? So you do cosine of pi over 4, cosine of pi over 3, minus sine of pi over 4 times sine of pi over 3. OK. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we just need to evaluate. So cosine square root of 2 over 2. Cosine of pi over 3. Again, kind of going back to that unit circle. Oh, pi over 3 is going to be the same thing as 60 degrees. So that's going to be 1/2. And therefore, that's going to be square root of 3 over 2. So now, just multiply. So I'm happy with that. That's perfectly fine for me. Any one of those other representations, though, just be aware that could always show up. Hello. Any questions on that one?
So if we didn't simplify them, like, what is it by?
I want you